Division strategies. So I have a few division strategies that I can use. So one of my division strategies are fact families. If I know my multiplication facts, it will help me to solve for division. Arrays and groups of will help me solve. Number line and repeated subtraction. So let's practice these strategies. All right, so I'm looking at my grouping model, and I'm going to look at this number, equation, 18 divided by 6. This is my total, and this is how many equal groups that I have. So if I look here, my total number, I'm going to divide into equal groups, 6 equal groups. So I'm going to draw my 6 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now I'm going to start with 18. 18 is my total number. I'm going to put 1 in each group until I reach 18. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and then when I'm done, I'm going to look at what is in one group. Okay, and in one group, I have how many? 3. So my answer here is 3. Let's make that a little bit darker. 3. All right, so let's do repeated subtraction, which is another strategy. All of these strategies will help me get to the answer. So repeated subtraction, I'm always going to start with my total number, which is 18. And then I'm going to subtract 6, which is my equal groups. And I'm going to keep subtracting until I get to 0. So 18 minus 6 is 12. Whatever number I get here has to go over here to this side. So I have 12. I'm going to put 12 over here. And then I'm going to repeat the steps. And I'm going to, again, subtract 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. This 6 now goes to this other side. 6 minus 6, still subtracting 6, is equal to 0. Now I've gotten to 0, so now I'm going to look. How many times did I subtract 6? If I count 1, 2, 3, so I subtracted 6 3 times. So my answer is 3. So again, same answer, right? Just a different strategy. All right, so then for arrays, right, I'm going to say 18 divided by 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an array that has 6. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to do my array going down 6. I'm going to do another row of 6 because remember I'm doing equal groups. But I'm going to keep counting until I get to 18. So I'm at 6. So I'm going to say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now I'm at 12. I'm going to keep going until I get to 18. So I'm at 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I have gotten to 18. So now I'm going to look at how many rows do I have. Well, I have 1 row, I have 2 rows, I have 3 rows. So my answer is going to be 3. Because that's how many, not rows, columns. That's how many columns I have. Because 6 is how many rows that make. So that I'm going to look and I have 3 columns of 6. So my answer is 3. All right. Now we're going to jump backwards on our number line. We're going to start at 18. And I'm going to jump backwards. And I'm jumping backwards 6 every time. So here we're going to put a dot at 18. And then I'm going to jump backwards. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm stopping at 12. There's my first jump. Then I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm stopping at 6. Jump again. Then I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I've ended at 0. Now I'm going to count how many times did I jump backwards. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3. So again, these are all strategies that I can use to solve for division. All right, let's try another equation. All right, so I have 20 divided by 4. So let's start with first our grouping model. So how many groups am I going to make? I'm going to make 4. because remember, this is my total number, this is my equal group number. So I'm going to make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to put 1 in each group until I get to 20. So let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I'm going to look at what is in one group. In one group, I have how many? So let's look at one group. One group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5. All right, let's look at the next strategy, repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction, I'm going to again start at my total number, and I'm going to subtract 4. So 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. That 16 now is going to go to the other side. 16 minus 4 is going to give me 12. And then that 12 is going to go to the other side. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And then that 8 is going to go to the other side. And then we're going to subtract 4 again. 8 minus 4 is 4. That 4 goes to the other side. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then I look, how many times did I subtract 4? If I look at how many times I subtracted 4, I'm going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I subtracted 4 5 times. All right, let's look at your array. My array, I'm going to have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And I'm going to keep up that process until I get to my total number, which is 20. So I'm going to still keep doing 4 each time. So I have 4, and then we're going to do what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So then if I look, right, let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 columns, right? So my answer here is still going to be 5. All right, number line. Number line, we always start at our total number and jump backwards. And we're going to jump backwards 4 because that's the equal groups. So I'm going to start here at 20 and I'm going to jump backwards 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we should be now at 0. Fifth jump. So if I count my jumps of 4 that I did, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5. That's how many times that I jumped backwards. All right, keep practicing your division strategies.